Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog, a very special. And guys, it's a bright morning over here, and I wish you happy Sunday, guys. First, thank you so much for clicking these videos, and you might know the good things are inside here. So today it's a very special day, and I want to say God, thank you so much for the gifts of life. So I'm trying to shoot these videos from within Villa Mendelin 2024, guys, and try to imagine this is the villa, and the land which we bought, it's on other side. So it's around 100 meter by walking, and it just close to the villa. So we want to say thank you so much, and also thank you so much for Mr. Cecil by renovating the road to be look good, guys. Like I drive, wow, without no worry, without no bump, you know. So let's take you around and see what is going on, guys. So far so good. I want to say thank you so much for those people watching my videos. Thank you a million times. So I'm just within here. So most of the time during weekend we rest, but from Monday to Friday we just look for the work to do, guys. So I'm on this beautiful Villa Mendelin, you can see. Wow. So guys, for me, I'm so grateful, and I want to say thank you so much, my people, by watching my videos. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe to my channel and share my link to your community, share my videos to your community, to your brother and sister. That's the best way you can support the Baby Official, guys. And through your support by watching my videos, I want maybe next year, not maybe next year, by maybe January, I'll start purchasing some balanced on sons and sons. So right now, like yesterday, I show you how my neighbors make for me 10,000 bricks. So it costs to $400 to complete that payment, and actually I'm so grateful. So sometime I done off camera, but yesterday I must show you what I'm running through, guys. So through your support by watching my videos, I think I could maybe less than 5 months to pay that money. So, and guys, if you want to support in other way, guys, I could manage to pay that money. So you shall see. Not maybe it's not a clickbait, guys. So it's just a reality, and when the time reach, I could deliver that bricks to my home and then burn them. Wow, this is real. And Malaika grazing here, you know, they are grazing here, guys. This is Malaika. We have Rio over there, you know, they are grazing and morning over here. So guys, that being said earlier, every single minute it has its own position. So like for example, guys, if you watch my yesterday videos, at the last maybe the ending of the videos, you see how I was talking with the owner of the bricks, and actually so far so good. He made around 3,000 bricks, so we're almost remaining with 7,000, and I hope by the end of November he will make sure that he finished 10,000 plus, because guys, I want to pay him maybe a half of the money, and then I start maybe struggling looking for, maybe I can pay for him like a $50 slowly, guys. But he need $400 to complete 10,000 bricks for my dream of my mom, guys. So thank you so much, and kindly watch my videos. Through your videos I can get the support by maybe some views and in other way. Wow. So technically I want to take you around, and actually I'm going to see the tomatoes which we plant with Mr. Gake before I take you to my land. And actually I'm the manager of that land, you know. So that being said, every day being trustful and honest, most of the people can trust you. So let's go, and then I'll give you a quick tour. So right now the land have been approved by advocate. So far so good. I'm waiting the owner to take everything inside the house, and then we make some cleanness that house, and then I purchase the new padlock. I lock. So guys, come with me. I'm going to check the tomatoes, guys. So right now, come with me, you know. So today it's a chilling day here, you know. Wow. Oh guys, I think the security light, it's okay, and it's well organized. So let's go, guys. I'm going this way, and then that way. The only noise that you had inside here, it's for the gain phone, and yeah, gain phone. Wow. So right now I'm heading this way, guys. I'm going to the kitchen garden because there's some tomatoes which we plant, and I want to see how it's doing, because I was on the issues of that, maybe right, left, center, to make sure that the land have been approved by advocates, and so far so good. Right now we have all documents for that land, so no worry about it, guys. You know, sometimes it's good to have all documents, and I want to say thank you so much, because nowadays government of Kenya, in terms of properties, like things like land, things change, because when you compare old days and nowadays, it's totally different. But old days, when you bought a land, the only thing that you do is to pay the money, and then you sign. Only you sign. But nowadays, if you pay the money, you must sign, and then you put the fingerprint. So if one want to take that land by force, man, there is some fingerprint on the computer represented that the land have been sold, and buyer and the seller put the fingerprint. No worry, guys. Whoa. I'm taking you this way, guys. Wow. Don't worry, let's go. So after this, I want to give you a quick tour to that land again, because I want to see whether the owner coming there or taking the stuff from the house, because we didn't make some agreement of taking some stuff inside. But I will make sure that maybe this week he will take everything from the house, and the house belong to Hello Baby Official. Sometime maybe I can store there like equipment like djembe, you know. So when I'm maybe around there, like panga slash, when I'm making some cleanness, most of the tools I will keep inside there, and that is it. I feel so good for the first time to be a manager of the land for somebody else. Maybe sometime it's a secret agenda, guys. Let's go. I remember Mama told me. Nilikuwa nasikia sigari inanuka na ndani uko pale. Ndo nasikia kwani nataka kuchungulia huko.
Mimi ninakaa hapo kidogo, nilikuwa na palilia hapo kidogo.
Hivi Masuba aliekea zile nyanya nini mbolea?
Wapi?
Nilimwambia kazi yake mbolea.
Hata miti hajaiwekea miti. Nikuongea naongea tu. Ndio siwachunie hii sukuma wapelekea nyumbani.
Takuja jioni.
Mm.
Hata niziangali tangia tulipanda, nilikuja tu zimeweka maua. Oh. So there is there's village uncle. There is village uncle there. So you must be very careful here. You know, have some saga here, guys. Look at this, and it tastes so sweet, guys. This one here, when you mix with meat or milk, man, help! It tastes so nice. So this is the kales here. You know the good thing about to live in our village, everything you find here. Wow. See, like this one. Wow. Oh, guys. Oh, and there's some birds. There's some birds living on these trees because these trees have some fruits. So, like this one here. Oh, like this one here. These are fruits, so most of the birds love these trees. Wow. Wow, guys. I see huge transformation here. Wow, the tomatoes are coming up with fruits, guys. Look. Wow. Amazing one. Oh, let me check on other side. Look, guys, it's amazing one. Wow. We try our best to make sure that this compound have some veggies and some fruits. Wow. So even there's some pumpkin leaves here. This one here, these pumpkin leaves. Wow, this one here. We also have the papaya. And so when you see this flower for the pumpkin, it means maybe soon the pumpkin will coming up with fruits. Wow, let's go, guys. And for me, guys, I will share with you this vlog. Kindly give a like. Wow. So far so good. I want to take you through that land. So you see, guys, this one we tie it with a rope, so the tomatoes will going around on that post there. Wow. Also, guys, the yams are doing good. They're coming up with crazy, guys. This yam, other people called arrowroot. And you know the good thing, you know these leaves, you can peel it and then you cook. And then there's some veggies there which are very, very slippery. We called morenda. So that morenda we mix with these arrowroot leaves. This one, it's a food. We eat leaves and also we eat the stems or the roots. We calling how am I saying this? We eat the roots. Actually, the roots. Because these yams, we eat the roots and also we eat the leaves. This one here, guys. Trust me. Let me know in the comment section. Am I right? And if you are from maybe another country, maybe if you tried this for the first time, let me know in the comment section. This yam or arrowroot, for us we eat these leaves and also the stem that are going on the ground, and man, it tastes so sweet when you take with the porridge. You can't imagine. And it's highly it has the percentage of maybe 100% of energy. Let's go. Today, guys, the weather is so the climate changes. Maybe sometime it's gonna rain. You can see how the cloud react. Look, that one there. So it's on right now. Rain. Oh. 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 So let's go. Let's go and see what the next. Wow, guys. Wow. Try to imagine how I feel so good to be a manager of the land. Wow. To get that opportunities, it's not easy. But if you are trustful, honest, things win. Wow. Oh guys, sorry, I want to receive a call, guys, right now. Oh guys, so I was receiving the call, so let's go. And right now, technically, that's the village uncle, and I will give you quick tour to that land. And I think maybe today it's the final maybe conversation with the one who stay on that land. So I need by on Monday or Friday, which is tomorrow, is on Monday, I want her to take everything, because if I clear paying her some money for their land and that land belong to us by meanwhile, so it's good she take everything. Wow. The only noise you heard here. Wow. So let's go. Like it quack, 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 quack. That's the game phone. What's up, everybody? That's the rabbit that are eating. Oh guys, look. Look. They are eating carrots there. You know, rabbits are very friendly. You can touch it. Like that. Wow. Wow. I wonder these birds, why are they making noise? Naona yondoa. Naona kidogo. This is ambassador of Soft Life.
Yes, what's up, beautiful people? This is Kibe, or why not Kibe? And welcome to Hello Baby Official. And it's a very beautiful day today. It's on a Sunday, and we're here at the villa. We're ready to go outside.
So right now,
Yes.
you can give me a special ride.
You guys are really taking care of your guy. He has grown big.
Yeah?
He has grown big.
Okay. Wow. So let's go. That's Dr. Kibe. Why not Kibe? So let me see that birds are making noise here. Quack, 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 quack. What has happened, Mr. Gainfon? Mr. and Mrs. What has happened? Because they are making noise and there's a lot of food here. What's up? It's crazy. You have the birds even here. You know, the birds are feel so good, guys. They're jumping from one place to another. Oh, whoa. Wow. They're relaxing. And we have the young ones inside here. Look, they're doing good, guys. That's the young one. And also, they're laying eggs inside here, guys. I think you can see over there. That is the eggs. You see that one? Wow. 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 Look at the eggs over there. Hey. Man. Wow. You know the good thing about this dove? They're laying 2 eggs and they hatch autumn same that eggs. So wow. They're feeling good. No hukunyora wai. Hangana kumureka rero. Well guys, you know the good thing about this dove, when you want to call the dove, they can't come because right now it's early morning. And guys, so right now I want to take you to that land and see. Every day I must be there. Maybe something went wrong and I haven't maybe noticed. So sometime when I come maybe here or I'm around here, I must check that land and see what is going on. I think by maybe next week on Saturday, when we're starting this week, which is on Monday, on Saturday, I'll go to the trees garden. I'll purchase some flowers or some trees. I want to plant alongside all the way. So that is it. And that's my plan. Now when you have some trees at your compound, it's good like this one here. It creates some beautiful shade. This one here. Oh, so let's go. Oh guys, my baby's there waiting me. You know, my baby helped me a lot, guys. This one here. So before I take you to that land, so let's check how maybe fish pond have been doing, because sometimes it reduces what, you know. Check the water. Hey. The water is so clean, guys. Wow. Mr. Trench Town Boy.
Hollywood.
You know your stuff. Trench Town Boy. Yeah, man. You good?
Blessings to everyone, man.
Yes.
Good morning. How you all doing? Sun is shining. Everything is all right. I'm here. Hello, baby.
Yes, maybe let me see this way. Hey! We are
Yeah. And he's doing his morning routine. We're getting ready to go meet a special person. You'll see it in later on. So, hope that this meeting will be a blessing and be a success. Right? And stay tuned with Hello Baby's channel. And don't forget to watch my channel. I am Trench Town Boy.
on
right?
YouTube.
On YouTube. Subscribe, and share. Put a little comment too also, because I read
guys.
your comments.
Guys, Lord to Trench Boy Town to 10,000 subscribers, guys. We really appreciate.
All right.
Yes, for your full support, guys.
All right, man.
Okay, yeah, man.
We can't tell him everything. You'll find out.
No. For me, when I watch that video, maybe it's a previous day. You around 3,000. Maybe when yesterday Maro made This is Kenya. Kenya. Hey. Hey, Kenya. Hey. Wait. Kenya. And now this guys, Kenya is doing good. Wow. So when the gate is open, I think the water now it's full. You can see. So the level of water coming up. Okay. So I want to see that land. And then maybe, you know, tonight maybe something might be getting bad. So let me check that land. Babu. Sasa niangalia kashamba kenye tulinunua hapa juu. Hey, tunaweza enda. Sasa unaweza kuwa tunaishi hapa.
Kweli?
Si ni hapa tu. Acha wapite.
Hapa karibu?
Tuende nikuoneshe. Sasa yeye haja unaenda hadi uko juu kwa Daudi. Hapa tu.
Basi mniambie basi ni garao iko nyumba.
Kweli? Nyumba nzuri sana ya matope imepigwa simiti nini na rumu.
Siniamisha hata hivi tano nikuja hapa basi. Hapa ndio karibu.
Ngoja
kimbia na kuja kuangalia bomba.
Ngoja watoke. So guys, I'm telling him the land which I bought here, there is one house and everything. So they wanna maybe staying there, living there. And for a meanwhile. So wow guys. So you're waiting that trench boy to get out because he went to outside. And when the gate were being closed, so big shout out to Trench Boy. So right now guys, you can see the road. Bambuja going straight. No bumps here. Right now the road are being levelized. And for me, within some few minutes, I'll be at Kongrat Dad there. So no struggling. Like tiki like kunguru ko. No. Right now, no that vibration for the stones. So right now, like when you take the shua. So I'm waiting them to get out, and I'll show village yangu. Wow.
Unataka kutembea kidogo?
Nataka watembee kidogo. Alafu tuende pale hivi. Nikuoneshe.
Sawa.
Hi. You see guys, so right now the car is going without no worry. One day guys, when God bless me, I will buy that car because that car is not too much expensive. When I have like $6,000, I'll get that small car guys, and then I will enjoy. And my first people to be sit on that car is my mom. Wow guys, I can't wait. Maybe I'm pray God to keep guiding me and give me good health. One day, $600, I'll strive even 10 years to get $600, and I will get that car. That's my first dream. I don't want maybe to purchase to buy some big car. That one small car. At least I could drive my family, man. I could drive my family. You know, when I'm starting from the bicycle. So right now, so right now, guys, I'm in the motorbike. So dream come to reality, and I can't believe, guys, one day it could be happen to have my motorbike. That being said, is to be honest. So right now guys, I'm waiting village uncle from other side. So I want to show him the land. So if he wants maybe to put the bed inside there and everything, he will be, and also taking the properties that are taking around the compound. Wow. Au umejua baba?
Sijajua.
Yaani sasa shamba iko hapa karibu tu.
Hapa karibu tu.
Karibu tu hapo.
Nani alichukua majokoni?
Si ni mimi.
Oh. Amefanya kila mara.
Lakini ni mtu. Aliniambia nimnunulie shamba. Sasa alisema hata kuja saa hii. Ako Marekani.
Oh.
Sasa tunaweza ishi hapo.
Hata umefanya msuri majokoro. Unajua hiyo kitu umesema? Sio uongo, huko juu.
Ni mbali.
Mara wakati mwingine ndali wewe unipige funguo nini?
Hata baada ya hapa tumeshikiana na yeye. Sasa tuliona baada ya kwenda unatembea hadi kule juu.
Basi.
Ni hapa tu.
Kwa hivyo mmeongea hiyo kitu.
Ni hapa tu, hata unaweza kuja usiku. Usurvey.
Basi.
Tena urudi ulale. Yes. And I want to say, guys, thank you so much. Big shout out to Ayamara. So right now, most of the visitors bought the land here, and also amongst of them. And I will give village uncle here to take care. Maybe sometime when he needs to sleep there, he will sleep. So we have a nice house and all stuff. And big shout out to Mr. Cecil. So right now the road is good. You can see, no worry.
Mjokoro ndio uliwasa hiyo waso ama
niliambia babu. Haina shida, nasubiria mwenyewe. Atoe vitu ndani. Alafu ndio saa.
Akitoa tu mimi naingia hapa ndani.
Tupitie hapa.
Utafanya mzuri.
Tunaona hapa ni karibu. Twende. So I'm trying to show village uncle if you want to live inside here for a meanwhile. So right now he was staying at David Jr.'s place, and it's far from here. It's up there. Wow. So shamba ni here.
Kumbe ni hapa. Unafikiri ni mbali.
Sasa hapa hii kisima ndio watajaza miti. Kuna kanyoka hapa. Kale kijani. Ona ndo kale. Ona kale. Kameenda mbele. Hey. Kasha kimbia kameenda.
Ona kamekimbia namna gani?
Kameenda kwenda mbele.
Hapo mpaka kateremke hapo. Kashaenda tena nako. Nikareka kijani, unajua kikimbia hivi kameenda. Yes guys, we saw some small snake here. Sababu hii ndio watu watajaza miti. Hata miti shangu na maji yako mengi. Sasa kweli hani ambo ndio ameingia humu ndani. There's some water inside here, full of water. Na visima viko viwili. Kuna kingine hapo. Sasa nyumba ni hii. Hapa tu. Sasa tusubiri mwenyewe. Aje atoe vitu hapa ndani. Naiona. Nyumba safi sana. Mjokoro mlipiga wasa mzuri sana. Na hiyo ni kisima?
Kina maji. Yes guys, there's some borehole here. There. Hapa hivi karibuni tutaweka fence. Yes guys. Akini nani nitanunua juu hiyo shamba imefika hapa. Imefika hapa.
Kwa hiyo
tutaweka sasa sengenge. Kija kufika wakati tabomolewa ukuti na tengenezwa.
Ni nyumba sawa sana hii. Iko sawa kabisa.
Kwa sawa kabisa.
Kwa hivyo ni kuanzia pale hivi.
Vile tu miti imezunguka tu. Mimi hadi kwa barabara. Hivyo tu.
Ni kasema mzuri. Mungu arali. Mungu arali hapa.
Tumeona tukupumzishe kutoka juu.
Unafikiria sababu nyingine mzuri sana. Hapa mimi nilikuwa nafikiri ni mbali kwenda huko juu, kumbe ni hapa tu.
Ni hapa tu. So he said guys, instead of going up there, and after these videos I'll show you where David Jr. bought a land with a house, and God bless us, when he bought the land it must have a house or a toilet. Na kuna hadi choo. Kuna choo na bafu. I'm telling him there is some toilet and bathroom. Wow.
Hii sasa ndio tunapiga mahesabu. Sijui kama maji ni hapa ama ni yenye mvua ilipeleka.
Hii ni kama mvua ilinyesha.
Ikaenda ndani.
Unaona hiyo mtaro hivi. Hii ni mvua.
Kama tunaweza kiziba.
Hakuna haja. Na kile kiko sawa. Hakuna haja, hii kisima ni mzuri bwana. Hii imeenda. Nini kidogo tu itachimba. Maji itasaidia sana. Mzee mlifanya kazi ya maana sana.
Sasa hapo huwezi sumbuka.
Hapa tu bwana, si mimi nitakuwa hata nakaa, unajua mtu ukikata nje kwa poma. Mambo ikiharibika tu ukiwa hapa, utasabigana na watu vibaya sana. Imefanya mzuri mmoja kwa.
Well guys. So far so good. The land have been declared everything. So no one will take this land. I'm in charge, and also this brother Kongat died, so he was the one maybe who staying inside here for meanwhile.
Panda maua mzuri, nyumba hii.
Nyumba itakuja kujengwa hapa nzuri. Hii itakuwa kama store. Hatuwezi bomoa hii. Hapana, itakuwa kama store hapa. Kama nyumba itajengwa pale juu. Ama hapa. Kuanzia hapa. Kwenda huko.
Na ni ngapi iliwakula hii?
Ilikuwa 500,000.
Ikitambikio kama niko hapa moja kule utasokea hata nyanya hapa.
Yaani wewe ukipenda wewe kitu utakuna panda. Hakuna maana kukataza. So I'm telling him, if you want to plant maybe anything that you want, no one will take this. Ida? Hii tutaweka fence. Hii nitakuja next week, nitanunua nondo. Tukate kila koni na korogewa chuma. Na hapa na pale hivi. So inakaa kama makonge. As I'm telling him, instead of using the local size sword that you see there act as a boundary, we done the modern one. So we cut the steel bar and we mix. I'll show you that process. Wow. Yao, saa hii tutakuja kuyanunua tu. Hadi mawe yako hapo na mchanga. So nimemwambia nipatie muda kidogo. Nikipata pesa nitalipia hizo vitu zibaki hapo. Yes. So guys, I'll give myself time. So maybe by January or December, I'll put the fence here, going around that compound. Wow, like this one here, so no intruder. And then I'll make a special gate. Wow, it's an amazing job. As unaona hapa ni karibu. Yes, he said thank you for giving him a short distance from the land to Yamara. Anataka nimwambia vitu haraka ndani. Juu tushamlipa hela. Hakuna kitu tena nabakisha hapo. Ni kutoa vitu na kwenda. Nani? Mchungaji gani? Huyu jamaa. Huyu jamaa anakaa hapa. He said thank you because we reduced the walking distance from the Virginia up to this place, and then he'll staying here. And after this, guys, I'll show you where the Virginia bought that land and the house, and actually the uncle staying there, and it's a walking distance from here. So guys, stay tuned. I want to take my baby and take you all the way to where the Virginia bought the land and where village uncle stay, guys. Wow, stay tuned. Oh guys, so right now I'm heading to where the Virginia bought the land and the house and where village uncle stays. So right now, because of walking distance, we try to see whether village uncle will stay around here, because the villa is here, that land is over there. So it's 100 meters from the gate, from the villa here, walking 100 meters rather than walking 600 meters apart. You know what? Let's go. Whoa, guys. So try to see, guys. The road is so good. Whoa, from the villa. Going this way. No worry, guys. This is the land here. This is the land, and the villa is there. Imagine this is the land here. This one here. And also Gitriva land is here. Wow, wow, wow. What amazing job, guys. So let's go. So like right now, no worries for driving here. And I want to say thank you so much, Monkey, wherever you are. May God bless you. If you're watching these videos, bro, thank you so much, Monkey. So you made it possible. And right now, I have my own motorbike here. Thank you so much. Here we go. That's Uncle Mo home. Go and check Uncle Mo, show him some love, guys. Oh. Let's go. Wow. Here I go. This Congrats Dad's home, imagine. So right now the road is good. No worry. Big shout out to Mr. Cecil. You made it possible. So right now the road is good. We got Trenchtown boy. Oh. So guys, technically I want to take you to other side and I'll show you where village uncle stay, because it's far from the villa down. Walking distance, it's almost 600 meters apart, and right now we try to reduce to give village uncle 100 meters apart walking. So I'm going this way to show you guys, so stay tuned. Oh, yeah.
We are testing the new road.
The new road.
Yes.
I want to launch the bicycle.
Yeah, it's a morning workout. So I was just testing this road to see how it is.
With your man and
Yeah, you can enjoy.
Okay.
So you now have put the smooth gear.
This is
Yes.
Nasta.
This is Nasta over here. Just met Hello Baby. I don't know what he's doing on the road.
No, I was checking the land down there.
Oh, yeah.
Kana ukuona?
Yeah, I saw
Yes.
that house. Congratulations, by the way.
So you know that land is for my visit. It's
Oh,
not
for
my
your
land.
visitor.
Yes,
Oh,
I'm
that
the
is-
manager.
The manager.
Mm.
That is very good.
Yanashoka mbona zicheze?
They need to be fixed.
So usiweke mafuta
Yeah,
zifungule
they need
zioshe.
to be washed and then we fix them. You see, they are very hard.
Peleka bongo zio. Hata wewe mwenyewe unaweza weka, lakini
Yeah.
mpaka
Maybe
zifunguliwe.
up to a mechanic. Aziunde.
Ni hapo. Wanafungua kwa chini.
Just ajua.
My baby is there. So guys, welcome to David Junior's land. Looks like this. So this is the land here, and also this is where village uncle sometimes live here. And technically, we thank God we get the new land with the house, so he will stay there to reduce the walking distance. Wow, it's just over here. You can see the papaya. Look at this one here. So this is the house. Oh, avocado trees here. So this is the house which David Junior bought to the house, and also village uncle is staying here. So because he was working as a security at Ayamara's place, and also we tried to reduce the walking distance. Sometime maybe daytime he wanna stay here for a mini while. So right now we try to take him from here to down there from the villa to that place, it's 100-meter apart. Wow. So this is where, and technically, I was telling you that I will show you where village uncle live, where David Junior bought the house. And I will thank God, every land that we bought, it has a house and also the toilet. Look at this one here. Amazing one. You see? It has the bathroom and also the toilet, you know. Wow. And it's well made, good. Have banana and also this Congat dad goats grazing here. Wow. Wow. So we have also some veggies here around here. And technically the good thing when we bought the land, oh, there's some cowpeas here. So technically when we bought the land, there is a mark, a boundary as a mark. So this is the size of here. This is a mark, and then we fence going this way and going that way. Wow guys, so thank you so much for keep tuned by watching my videos until the end. I wanna give you more positive vibes ever and more good videos, guys. So you see that house, it's under sale with a white iron sheet. So by now the road is good right now. You see even this corner have been constructed, guys. So I'm heading to the next, maybe it's depend, maybe home or, but today I feel like I could visit one of my friends right now. So actually guys, let's go. You know, it's good to visit each one another, guys. Look guys, wow, amazing view. Look, over there there's border town, far away. So I'm outside with my baby. Wow, look. Let's go. And guys, in case you meet my videos for the first time, kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Lord, to 6K subscriber, I will appreciate. You know, I'm climbing the ladder slowly. Wow. So look, the village, guys, everybody's building. So for my entire village, less than 3 years, man, you can't see the muddy house. So everybody is complete to build. It depends maybe for the person with the pocket, guys, and I really appreciate, you know. So we try to change the new generation, from old generation to the new generation, guys. Oh. See there. Agora. Yes. There's a police post over here. We call it the Bohansen police post. Here. That one. Oh. So after this, guy, watch these videos till the end, and I shall see where I'm heading to. Keep it locked. Oh, so I will hit the tarmac road like crazy, and then I'm going to other side with my baby right now here. Let me show you, no more hike. Oh guys, see over here. Wow. Oh guys, so this is Nyabohansi, and I wanna say hi to Robbie guy. Oh, Ngusimori.
Okay, kidogo. Naku nini nipigie?
You guys do know this lady. Say hello.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby Official. Hey, you are Nini the camera.
Squeeze guys, imagine I can't pass here.
Yeah, you are good. You eat good.
I'm eating good.
Yeah.
What my camera done? It's clear.
Hey, your camera is very clear.
Than yours.
Yeah. You will set for me it can be clear like that. Yes.
Oh guys, you see that's the tuk-tuk there.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. How was
guys.
everything?
Everything is good. Yeah, we thank God for the gift of life. We are healthy. Yeah, we just say thank you, Jesus.
Yes.
Jesus. Hey.
Wow. So guys, this is Robbie guys, small business.
Yeah.
So they tried to bring some, we call what? This is hair for the ladies.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
You can say braids. Braids.
Me, I don't know, guys. So in case maybe if you one day you will be on my village here and you need the hair for the ladies, just promote Robbie guy. Like this one goes to each goes to 700. Look, nice hair, shoes. You have jelly, and actually this baby care formula. Hey, wow. You have man-made fingers. Hey. Even this one man can use.
Yeah.
Or it meant for ladies.
No. That is body lotion. Body lotion means both gender can use.
And you know, I use Nivea. Nivea for men.
Oh, me I use that one.
This one.
Yes. No.
And this one.
Yeah.
One goes to.
We can talk of camera.
Why not? Maybe
If someone want, he or she can. There's a lot of rice.
Yes, I see. So yeah, guys, we want to talk both of this gel here. Maybe if someone wants to promote. No problem. This one here.
Me, I'm using this one.
You're using this one.
Yeah.
So the price?
The price. It's not good to talk on camera.
Okay.
Yeah, we can talk on camera.
Yes, you have like Bamsi for touching my hair, just over here. So when I'm going to crotch it or retouch my hair, I normally see that lady use this Bamsi molten jelly wax. So it meant my hair to be touched. Like, do like this and then, hey, wow. All right, guys, so I'm on the way, and then I pass here, I must say, oh, let me turn for you this one.
Yeah, turn for me.
And then I said hi to Robbie guy. Guys, hey, if you doesn't have money, you can't afford this jelly. I'm telling you, money is everything. And here, we are here to look for money every day. So how was your business?
It's not doing good. Yeah, I can see it is not doing good because you see right now I supposed to pay rent, and you see the money I sell is the money I pay rent. Let me tell you.
So it means that you get instead to make profit.
Instead of to make profit, Sasa,
you get loss.
I get loss,
You are
and
getting that rate.
and I want. I'm thinking maybe I can close it. Yeah, because you see, like right now, today is date 27. Don't laugh. Today is date 27, and we are supposed to pay date first. The
Every
rent
month.
every month,
And then you have a small business here.
Yeah, and-
Sometimes the business are not going.
yeah, and you see right now we pay 5,000 Kenyan shillings as rent. So you find like this month, even I have not even sold the half because there's a lot of competition. People are many here who sold the same items. So
So for me, maybe I can advise you if there is a lot of competition. You can sell these things. You have the coffee, guys. It's morning over here, so you can sell these all things, and maybe you try maybe to buy things like shoes. This we call yebo shoes. This one, and for the ladies, maybe during the market day, you go and then you sell it. Shoes like this one here. You have another one here. So you purchase maybe both gender, and then during maybe the market of Wednesday and Friday you sell. So like there, tax you can pay around. You had tax you can pay around $0.01 for every.
But here we pay $1 every day.
Every day, imagine.
Not every day. On
1 week.
1 week we pay $1.
As I
You see, $1 is
So
100.
it's $1.
Yeah.
These are almost to around around $0.50. So right now, me, I'm advising you, if you doesn't make profit here, you get a lot of loss. The money that you sell goes to the manager for their house. Instead, sell these old things, go and maybe to Nairobi, look the shoes.
But
and,
you see right now, I can't. You see, you can't sell everything because if I stay here, right now I don't have a rent to pay. So and today is date 27. Date 1st is approaching, and the landlord is coming for the month. So I was thinking I can just close. If someone wants, he can contact me and I can deliver.
So you can collect your old things to your home and then you sell slowly. You keep your money.
I can sell slowly.
Yeah, that's cool.
I can sell slowly. But you see things like this one here, like this these ones here, they can expire. This one here, you see.
You can go to the salonist you sold.
Yeah, I want to do that. See if I can sold to them.
Yes.
Because right now,
You know, guys, imagine here, Robbie guy, instead of making profit, he make loss. The man that he make from here, and also he had money today, landlord.
yeah.
So sell it. You buy maybe choose like this one.
Yeah.
If you have like one sack of the shoes, you can sell and then you get profit.
Yeah.
You know, tax you can pay around 20 bob, 20 bob.
Yeah, when you go there, you pay. They pay when you go in
the market
the
there.
market. You pay twice. You
Twice.
pay Wednesday
And Friday.
and Friday.
Imagine 20 bob. When you have like $1, it can save you 2 days.
Yeah.
and they are not paying rent.
No paying. Yeah, no paying rent.
Do so. You
Yeah,
just do so.
when I get money, I will do that. Not I can do for my mom because he's always at home, so I
Okay.
can bring for him the yebos.
Yebo means this one.
Yeah, the Crocs. I can bring her the Crocs instead of sitting at home. She can be bringing them on the market day. Yeah, so me.
Okay, Robbie guys.
Yeah.
So guys, I was going somewhere else, and it's good to say hi to Robbie guys. So guys,
Thank you.
stay tuned. Now this is my camera, guys.
They have a good hand. It's for nasty.
Hey, this one.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, my baby's there. Wow.
Thank you.
All the way. So I'm heading with my baby, guys. Look how village looks like. Wow. So motorbike are more means of transport here. It's affordable. Ready to go, guys. Like for now, I use my motorbike here to look for the content, guys. Oh. But I pray one day when I get the sport bike, man, I could drive and adventure many town and village, guys. So I'm going down there. So keep it locked. More amazing videos coming, guys, from here. Oh guys, so right now I'm passing inside here on the road. Hey, you must be very careful here. So I'm passing inside here like crazy, hitting to my friend. Wow, inside here. That's tobacco plantation, guys. Wow. Oh guys, my baby is right over here, and guys, if you know, you know. So might take this shot outside, but it's okay. It's okay. So this is the house for my friend, and also he was the top mason. Look at that dream come to realities through your support, guys. My brother tried to manage it. See, guys, this is the gutters here. Wow. This motor. Mchanga ni tope kweli.
Ngumu ya kufanyia kazi, lakini watu wanaipenda. Ni nzuri.
Nani mwingine anaipenda kama si nacho?
Itaona ni soft.
Mwenye anapenda mchanga kama si nacho ni mwenyewe. Mchanga ni ngumu sana kupiga.
Sasa maana hiyo tofauti itakuwa inanyesha huko.
Gani?
Pale. Hiyo ilikuwa inafaa ikoroge. Akoroge pale hivi. Hii makokoto ndiwe ngumu.
Sasa na mahesabu ya makokoto.
Wow, guys.
Lakini sasa hizi bloki zimepigwa na waterproof cement. Also hii sand yenye tunatumia imechanganyishwa na waterproof cement. Kwa hivyo itakaa ina detect maji. Haita crack.
Acha basi nipite. And then finally I'll come to give you a quick tour to a small tiny house.
Hello babe.
Hey. Jana mtaka kunioa kwa gym, siwezi fanya ujinga kama huo.
Go and gym, bro. You know what? When you are doing practice.
I know what you want to kill me with
No,
gym.
I can't kill you, bro. How are you, man?
I'm good.
Hello guys, this is National_254. Welcome again to Hello Baby's YouTube channel. I'm here from this side, bro. Today I'm doing an amazing job here. Amazing. Have you handled the house?
No. You just do what?
No, man. No, man. You have to go there. You advise me. You tell me do this because, bro, very soon I'm going to handle in my house to start living inside. And come, bro.
Come on.
We will come here. Just go. Let's go.
Okay. Yeah. So they're charging materials here too, so. Wow.
This house called
how our village looks like.
First story house. This is my first story house. And guys,
hey,
that is the name of the house. You know,
hey,
this is the puppy. It's a puppy. It's a good.
Bring this.
Yeah. For you?
Yeah.
No.
You do me?
Yeah. JK.
No. You're like female dog.
I call this one first story house. This is my first story house for me. That it has a
the
story.
way you struggle.
Yeah. The way I came from with this house and everything. And is an open house. You can come inside. Is an
so my friend, here just put the grill. Put here the grill.
Where?
So wake hapa maana mvua itakuwa inanyesha.
Grill gani?
Mtu akikaa ama mvua itokage. So I'm telling him to put here some grill window. Zile vyo za kuvuta hivi. So wake hapa.
Bro, windows are so expensive.
For grill. Or you decide to put it like you get fresh air while sitting inside here. Okay, let's go, guys. Story house.
First story. This is my story house, bro. This is what when I'm seeing this one, I remember where I came from. Hello, baby, you know my story.
I know. Guys, for the reasons, I'm the one who remaining back behind. The camera is. Oh, it's because of the plastering and all stuff.
Plastering and the Let me open
Open,
the,
yes.
Let me open the window, guys.
Hey, the cat are relaxing.
Beautiful cat.
Yo, man.
My first story house, man. What are you
Imagine, I'm trying to imagine you have first story house.
Yeah.
And me, it doesn't have a story to tell me. But my time is coming.
Yeah, man, your time is coming. You know, man, bro, there is people here, they are sitting down. I know others, they are in this side. Man, they have been supporting me here.
A lot, guys.
Yeah, a lot.
Guys,
man.
the whole house that you see here, it's through your support,
Yeah,
guys.
through your
And
support.
I want to say thank you so much by supporting my brother here. And he was the one who measured my toilet and then started digging.
Yeah, start digging. I saw you, man, you are digging for the first day. And then the second day, you look for the mason.
Mason.
Yeah.
So you see the implication.
Okay.
First thing maybe you realized when you want to build a house, maybe next time,
Yeah.
do wiring, plumbing, and then you done plastering. So look right now.
Yeah, you know, do you see the other places we did?
Yes, like that
But
way.
this place, I came to add this toilet before. I added this toilet when you have done, the guy
Plastering.
have done piping. Yeah.
So okay, I realized that one. So I get you. Before you done plastering,
Okay.
you do wiring, and then so right now when done here, this mark will be seen.
Yeah.
And maybe when you add the gypsum, you can't see, but hot water.
Hot water. Mangani.
Soft
And then this soft life where, bro? Struggling. You see here, this is a toilet, and it's going to be a toilet and a washroom. So that is the
You have already dig the septic.
septic. No, no.
So you are
Septic,
planning.
I'm planning. You know, because the time I'm living inside here, I will get a good time to dig a
A septic.
septic. My bed will be on this side, bro. This side, wardrobe on this corner here. And then
Hey.
I will have a screen on this corner here.
Yes, even I see you put extension.
Here, extension there. We'll have a screen. I will have one sofa here. One sofa. And then I will decorate this one to build like a counter, whereby we'll have those big chairs.
For eating.
Yeah, I can sit here. I'm cooking on this side. We are chatting, sitting there.
So here your bed, here one sofa,
One sofa.
here
Yeah, I will have you
dining.
a dining.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Have you ever seen this carpet, blanket carpet?
Yes.
I will put it down here,
Yeah.
whereby you can sit there when you're watching. on this side.
Guys, I can't wait to share with my brother. So I'll wait until. Hey, this house is because you cemented it. It look like dark inside.
Dark, yeah.
Yes.
But no problem, guys. You see us. we are dark. So
And what about down? You done screening also.
yeah, no. Here is going to have a step. So we are going to build one course because of the water, and I'm going to store my
Oh,
things inside.
you raise up.
So it's going to be raised with one course, so that I will put moram and do screening.
And guys, imagine the cat is watching us, listening us, saying hello.
I will have a gas cooker here. See, extension is on the other side.
Okay, if you have the gas, you see at the back, just build things like this one, you put the gas.
Yeah.
Because gas, it can't allow inside the house. Sometimes imagine so car, when the gas say pop,
Okay.
so you can't run and save your life. So the gas must be, you build here. You see this stuff that you build here, like this way. You build outside, and then you have the door, you close it.
They can't steal.
No. At night, you put the door, you close it. Yes. Now, and then you are staying here. Now, who can steal your gas? Who? You make things like this. You put the gas outside, and then you put the door, you close. So the pipe, the only thing you do is to connect the pipe from outside to your sitting, maybe those jiko for the airs. But inside here, don't put gas. Don't. I beg you, my brother, don't put gas inside here.
Okay.
Yes, in case the gas say poop.
But I fear, man, they will steal my.
No. Imagine mansion, you create a things like this. Let me show you, like this.
Yeah.
You put a door, you put inside the gas, and then you close with a padlock. Who can steal your gas? Who?
Thief, man.
Who? You are staying inside here. They can't steal you. Okay. Trust me, they
Guys,
can't
I
steal you.
fear. We will think about that, guys.
No, they can't steal you. I'm telling you.
So my first story house is there. I'm on about to install ceiling board, and outside here, bro, we have sofas. You know?
Story house, guys.
This is a story house. Outside here, we have one. See, the reason why I put extensions is because I'm not going to put chairs here. But I'm going to put those leather. You see, those leather sofas. If the water can come splash, is a leather, so it will drop down and everything. So at time like this, we can sit here together, like chatting, listening for the music, charging the phone and everything.
You have
extensions, everything there. We can relax here while I'm cooking, or when you can feel that you can't stay inside, you can come outside here and relax and everything. This is the veranda. Hidden veranda.
We call it porch. Porch. It's not a veranda. We call nowadays things change. We call porch.
Porch. Guys, mamenichanua guys.
This is your porch. And it's well organized, guys. Imagine this door.
Yeah.
Wow. And then you lock. Unafunga kutoka ndani. Wow.
Let me tell you something.
Yes.
There is some people here, even if you will say thanks, you can't say enough, man. Even if you will say, guys, I want to give thanks to you.
Look
man.
how they mix.
Yeah. Maybe you can't say thanks enough, man. Those people, they are so huge. They really support you. They really care about you. They really want to don't know what have you eat. What is going on? What have you lacked for the project and everything? So guys, man, when I say thank you, I can't say enough. I don't feel that it's enough. You just see me.
Yes, the small.
I'm not monetized, man, but they're supporting me.
Imagine. It's through God's prayer.
Yeah, man, they coming to decorate those flowers and everything.
And then this one here, you join.
Yeah, it's
to be the same.
Yeah, it's going to be joined.
Yes.
Yeah, it's going to be joined.
Hey, nah, sure. Nowadays, hey, dream come to reality.
Dream come reality, man. I've remained with only
don't mind subscribe.
30 subscribers. 30 guys. 30 guys. I'm going to
imagine you have not monetized and then you build a house like this.
And so you will.
Okay.
Those are blessings courtesy of this. Bro, I'm going to dig a septic tank here.
Here?
I'm going to dig a septic tank here.
Put it down there.
No. You know, we are 3 of us.
Okay, I understand.
So there is one. You see, the one is starting building on the other side. There is one is coming to build here.
Yes.
So we're going to face my mom.
Oh.
You know.
Okay, and then it can give you easy to put maybe the perimeter wall.
Perimeter wall. And bro, remember my last one. So that is the reason why.
Implication to stay with your mom.
Yeah, with my mama. You know that love of a mother.
You hold your mother. But me, guys, I'm the firstborn, and I take care of my family. So like yesterday, you know, I was having the project of making bricks.
Okay. But you want to start build.
But because of the money, I told that guy, I forget. I want to purchase blocks. Yesterday he called me, oh bro, I make 3,000 bricks and I'm continuing making for you 10,000. I said, okay. And it cost $400.
Okay.
So that's around 40,000 Kenyan money.
Okay, man.
So maybe I told him, maybe by the next month, 22nd, when I get the money, I will pay you. Okay. Yes, so I want to build for my mom dream house, 3-bedroom, and then mine I can build slowly. Slowly.
Like Mnyama himself.
Like Mnyama.
You know, bro.
Imagine guys, these are the kitchen and these are chimney.
This is a
firebox.
Bro, I don't know why my mom cared this for me. What is wrong with Mugongo? Guys, backbone.
Gym mulitaka kuniua.
Gym piga gym. Guys, mwambie ukijana piga gym.
Yes, guys, this is a small kitchen like my mom's home.
Yeah, these are traditional. So my brother is building here. I told you we are 3 of us. So man, I'm giving him space also. My big brother is my big brother.
Sasa angeisongeza mbele kidogo.
No.
Sasa angevuta mbele kidogo. Kwani space hapo inatosha mnapita. Hii ni maisha ya Nairobi, bora umerara umeenda kutafuta riziki. Mwambie avute nyumba mbele kidogo kao kakubwa kidogo. Sasa angevuta hadi somewhere hapo.
Pia, you know.
Okay, nimeelewa.
Money sometimes.
Mimi nalingana ile yako. Lakini unajua wakati imechora chini unaona ni ndogo.
Ile yangu ni kubwa. So this is my brother's house. This is a sitting room. This is a bedroom. You see? The
Yes,
way-
I see.
And then
Toilet.
on the other side.
Eh, nice.
It's finish up. I give him a plan. It's done, man.
Oh,
For free. I give him
For
plan
free.
for free. He's my brother. And then, bro, there is this something we call him Munyam. He has
Munyam.
been disturbing me called a borehole. Because of the it's near to the house. Be careful, don't fall inside. The reason why I built this perimeter wall.
I can guess you want to put a tank.
No,
Why?
a tank is on the other side. Where the I'm going to transfer that
House.
traditional kitchen
You demolish.
on this side. I will transfer it on this side. So the reason why I did this one is
Sasa mbona
because
ndugu yako sange jenga hapo ndio pakubwa.
hapa ni padogo mra.
Hiyo sehemu sio ndio ukilinganisha na hii. Yaani
Angepata sehemu ya kuweka choo na hizo vitu zingine.
ana choo siko pale.
Anataka na yeye, you know,
Okay.
even him want his own space, man.
Okay.
At night when he's coming from his job, don't struggle going on the other side washing. Guys, you know what? So this is a borehole, bro. I want to finish up and close it. Man, I have a project here for my mom.
Shoni. Nowadays things change.
Things change, man. This for my mom, and we have a project, and then the others are here eating kales. We call it kales. Kumawiki, guys.
Another we call green color.
Green colors. So, man, I've been working for this project just, man, slowly. I thank God.
Mnyama himself.
Mnyama himself, man, is here. And guys, it's not easy. It's not easy, but always it's by the grace of God. How is the project so far, bro?
Me, I'm on the process of putting tiles, and then after finishing that, I migrate to my mom dream house.
Okay.
Yes, because I want to finish one after other. So I'm remaining with 2 toilets, and then I finish up tiling.
Okay, man.
Yeah. More than one.
We are waiting for the story. We are waiting.
Story is coming because when guys stay tuned, and I'm going to open the new projects for my mom.
Okay.
It can take me 2 years or 1.5 years.
To finish up,
Yes.
trust me, bro. It will not take. Trust me.
The way the toilets take me around 5 months. From the month of June, July, August, September, October. 5 good months.
Bro, God
It's
is...
because when I get the money, I spend on my construction.
Okay. But trust me, bro, God is thinking good things with you. Man, you can't tell me, man, you will build for 3 years. No,
You know,
no.
3 bedroom is so big. So big.
So big.
Yes.
Dining,
Imagine.
sitting room,
Master bedroom,
master bedroom,
2 bedroom.
2 bed, toilets inside.
Yes. Kitchen.
Guys, you're waiting for the story.
Oh,
For the
okay,
story.
guys. Thank you so much. We shall meet on the next videos. It depends, maybe home.
Okay. So thank you so much, Yellow Baby, for coming to share with me some ideas and everything. Feel free, man. Anytime you can come here. Man, very soon I will start another project by the God grace.
Sasa wewe huongei sasa mimi nitajuaje?
And then I have my handman there, Kipinda Ngoi. Kipinda Ngoi.
Okay, have another YouTuber here, guys.
Yes, family, my name is Kibinda Nkoi. Yeah, and
Your top handman here.
yeah, I'm hustling here, guys. Yeah, and I'm the one who was dig this borehole. Even if you can see where we are right now, I'm the one who dig it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice work.
Yes, and you can tell your people to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Okay, they can subscribe.
Yeah, I will appreciate it.
Kibinda Nkoi, subscribe, guys. Wow. So thank you so much, my brother.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, this is the work for national, guys. Well, guys, I'm back home. That's my baby from my friend, and actually, guys, I want to see what is going on here. So east to west, home is the best. I go around through my village and sometimes looking content. So I want to see today how things they are here. It's so late, guys, and don't forget, guys, Yesterday, my neighbor calling me and he need $400 for making my mom bricks for the dream house here. So in terms of using blocks, it goes to so $400 to complete making 10,000 bricks for my mama dream house. So that been said earlier. So I'm just around at my home here, guys. This is my grandma home. So I see my brother cutting some stuff from banana to give the cow. So let me show you. Today it's on Sunday and we're gonna have a little bit to rest. So as we wait to start the week, fresh week on Monday. So we end the month of October like this. That's my brother. They're feeding cow with water and also some stuff from banana. Just over here. You see, guys, and soon this, by God's grace, is gonna be giving newborn calf. Guys, are you ready for this? We're so blessed. So this is the stuff. Man. Wow. That's my brother, and over there with maroon clothes, that's my mom. Ng'ombe nata manchi kataris. Abang kiora pera hari. That's the cow. So I'm telling my mama they must be near to that cow. Wait. You know this one, that's the calf. This is the mother. This is mother for that baby cow that you see there. Try to tighten them here. Mama, how are you? Say hello.
Hello.
Kanisa vipi?
Poa.
Wanatafungwa na ng'ombe. I'm asking mama, he came from church. I'm asking mama, how about today's church? Wow. So guys, thank you so much. I think by tomorrow morning I'll coming back to finish styling on my washroom and my mom washroom. Tomorrow is to finish up. Maybe I will be the handyman. It depends. Also, wow. See guys. Wow. This one are grazing. I'm gonna use. So they are eating guys here. Oh, wow guys, the beauty of Africa. Smart. Wow. So let me take you back to my project, maybe a little bit. You know the reason why I show people my project for several times is because maybe in case I found new member on my YouTube, and then they will get to know what I'm doing and what I'm running through, guys. This is my home here, and this is my house. I want to say thank you so much to live on this beautiful house here. Wow guys, so let me take you a little bit to that project, and I want to finish that, and then I will open big project. That is my mom dream house. Guys, if you are ready for this, just wait to share with you. So the reason been showing people this project, in case I found new member on my YouTube channel. So this is my project that I was running through, and then at the same time I want to end my video. Wow, the calf. Oh, something went wrong here. Wow guys, so let me show you. Guys, welcome to my project again. So I was talking about, so I'm remaining with putting tiles only here guys. I think when I get 30 bucks it can finish up on the floor and also here, so and over there. So inside I put tiles, so maybe show you for the first time in case you're new here. This one, you see heavy transformation, look, even on the that over there. Yeah, amazing ceiling board. So by tomorrow is to finish up everything. So thank you so much, may God bless you. Let me end my video here by saying thank you a million times guys. The only reward that I can give for you guys is a big thanks from my bottom of my heart by supporting my video guys, by watching my videos. You support me in other way, I really appreciate, and I want to say guys goodbye. We shall meet for the next video, which is tomorrow guys. Bye.